Hi guys, welcome back to Decorating Happily Ever After. I'm Jeffrey Kevin. Today I want to share with you another tablescape. I call this one the 12 Days of Christmas. For this particular table, I'll be using lots of gold and pulling out all the bling. I'm also going to be using fresh pears, magnolia, and pineapples. So let's look around the table. For this Christmas tablescape, I'm using my gold damask cloth. It has a poinsettia design. And I'm also using the chargers. These are terracotta. They have a gold finish. The china that I'm using today is my 12 Days of Christmas. I picked this up a couple years ago at Walmart. It's Better Homes and Gardens. I also have the salad plate. And today I'm using my gold flatware along with my knife rest. I have my long champ today. I'm going to be pairing it with a gold glass. I picked these up a few years back at TJ Maxx. I'm going to be doing a fan fold for my napkins today with my gold napkins. And in the parfait dishes, I have a pear. And I'm also going to be using gold Christmas crackers. For my centerpiece, of course, I had to have a pear tree. I didn't put a partridge in it, but this was the best I could come up with. I've used a set of lusters. These are gold lusters. For those of you who aren't familiar with them, they're really mantle decorations from like the 1850s to about the 1960s. This pair is probably a later set, but they're in the gold. And I've put pineapples in them. I've just set a pineapple in each one. Now on the table itself, I've strewn around some magnolia leaves. And I've put some pears in there, some green pears. And to add a little more bling, I did some gold glittered ribbon. I've intertwined it carefully in there as to not cover the table and the dinnerware with glitter. Of course, probably glitter is good for the digestion. I've put out my gold butter dish. And I've got a poinsettia candle snuffer on this end. My approach to a table like this, guys, I usually have an idea in my mind of what the table is going to look like, and then I get into it and I add a little more, and then I think of something else that in the house that would look good on the table, and I add a little more, and a little more, and a little more, until I can't add any more. So that's usually the process for setting a table like this. I've also used a pair of candlesticks with bobaches, and I put some olive green candles in them. On this corner of the table, I've got a little gold teapot to add a little more bling. Here at the back, kind of a nod to the partridge, I've added a little bird nest, although I don't think these are partridges, but they're as close as I could find. This is the matching cake stand that goes with this set, and it didn't come with a dome, but I had this particular dome and it fits, so sometime I'll pair domes with cake stands even if they didn't start out with one. And it says the 12 days of Christmas on it as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a comment below. Give this video a thumbs up. Be sure and subscribe to my channel, Decorating Happily Ever After, and turn on the notifications bell so you never miss an episode. I'm Jeffrey Kevin, hoping that you decorate happily ever after. Merry Christmas!